Alright, so here is Marvel Universe Silver Surfer, and as you can see he can pose on his surfboard, and there are pegs on the surfboard itself, as you can see there. And I've heard comments that these are spread apart too wide, and they kind of are, but the pegs, that is, but you know, you can still get the figure pegged into the pegs. So surfboard and the figure itself. Now I don't know if you can see this quite well on camera, but the figure itself is colored with this kind of shiny silver color, whereas the board is more of a flat silver, so there's no really shiny reflection from it really compared to the figure. So I don't know why they chose to use slightly different colors, but to me it would have been nice to have both the same color, even though they match pretty well now. It's just kind of a small issue I have with the set. But yeah, nice surfboard. So I look at that and the figure itself. And as you look at the figure, you can see there's quite a lot of muscle definition throughout the figure. Especially in the torso area, but even in the legs, the back as well. As far as articulation goes, you've got the heads on a ball joint, rotates around. Ball hinge shoulders, and swivel at the bicep, hinge at the elbow, and the forearm can spin around like that, as you can see. And because of that joint there actually is no wrist articulation, which is fine with me. You've got this ab joint, which is problematic because, as you can see, you move it forward or back like that, you've got this gaping hole there, or also if you move it forward, you got the gaping hole back there. It does rotate really freely around, as you can see. I would have preferred a little less articulation if they would have found a way to cover up that gap. That's really bad. I don't like that. But there is no waist articulation. The hips are on a ball joint, nice double bend at the knee, and you've got the hinged ankles like that. So a nice figure. The reason I picked it up is because I had not seen it before, and quite honestly I thought it was kind of rare, at least in my area anyways. This is the first one I've seen, and I think there was one more on the peg at the time. But do I recommend you pick it up? Well, if you like Silver Surfer and you want to start collecting these Marvel Universe figures, then yeah, I would say definitely go for it. Like I said before, the two problems I have, the big problem I have was with the gaping hole at the abdomen area, both front and back, and just a slight difference in color with the surfboard being slightly less shiny than the actual figure, which maybe in hindsight actually kind of makes sense. You want to have the focus be on the figure as opposed to the surfboard, but whatever. That's not the big deal. Really, the big deal for me is the ab joint there. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Actually, before I let you go, it does come with the top secret file, and you can read that and pause if you so desire. And you get this nice Silver Surfer card with some of his statistics. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next review.